Alright, so one thing I've wanted to do since I bought the Shelby is to do a Resonator delete. So I've got that ordered from JLT. To try to get some clips of before and after Supercharger sound. See if that turns out on camera, see if we can capture that. Car parts are here. Alright, so here's what comes with the kit. Actually got the tube that deletes the resonator. We've got 4 clamps and 2 rubber boots. Alright, we're going to start by removing this. We're going to have to remove that PCV line. There's a vacuum line on this side. We've got a clamp here. We've got a clamp down here by the filter. So this is pretty tight on here, stuck, so I'm going to see if I can put my screwdriver in here to get underneath it and kind of pop it loose. Here we got the resonator off. That's what keeps your supercharger whine down. It's like a muffler for the supercharger. That's what we're getting rid of. One thing about putting this tube together is these rubber boots fit very tight on there, and you have to back the clamps all the way out, almost to the point that they're going to come apart. It'll go together, but it's a little bit of a trick. One thing to keep in mind, you don't want to slide these too far on because they've got to make up the difference between your air filter and your throttle body. So you want them on just enough that your clamps will get a good grab on them, but not slid on too far where it'll end up being too short. It's kind of tricky getting that boot on all sides. Just got to kind of get your fingers down under it. Got it all the way around there. I'm going to go ahead and tighten these top clamps. Get this bottom piece positioned right. Basically just sliding this boot down on this tube until it butts up against my air filter. Looks like I'm pretty good there. I'm just going to snug everything up to start with. Now I'm just going to plug my PCV line on. Plug my vacuum line back on over here. Then I'm going to come back, make sure I got these all snug. They don't need to be super tight. Just want to snug them up. As you can hear from the video, there is a difference. It's not a dramatic difference, but there's definitely a difference there. It's only going to get louder if I throw a pulley on there or anything like that. Just want to finish this video up. I've been traveling. I'm actually in Washington, D.C. now. You look right back there. There's a exact replica of Air Force One. So I'm going to go ahead and put a quick little before and after clip again right after this, so you can hear them back to back. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.